Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to discover helpful articles about calorie counting and healthy habits on the Arise application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the Explore button down below, which is the second option. After that, you can check out these top picks for you by sliding to the right side of the screen. So here you can see that some of them are locked, so they are only available to premium users, but the other ones are available to everyone. So that's how you can read the articles, by either tapping on the arrow button pointing to the right direction, or you can also slide to the left or right side. If you scroll down, you can also discover articles about calorie counting, healthy habits, and mindset as well. So if you tap on a relevant category, you are going to find subcategories in which you can find a vast variety of articles that you can check out. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.